Are you a Caravan owner in the UK? Then you know our weather can be a real pain. Rain, frost, tree sap, and even sunshine can damage your Caravan's paint and seals, leading to costly repairs. But what if there was an easy way to protect your investment all year round? That's where a quality Caravan cover comes in. Forget those old myths about covers causing damp. Modern breathable fabrics, like the ones used in the Quest Pro Max cover, let moisture escape while keeping rain and dirt out. This means your Caravan stays dry and clean season after season. A good cover preserves your paintwork, protects against UV damage, and even deters theft. It's not just for winter either. It's perfect for shielding against pollen in spring and UV rays in summer. The Quest Pro Max offers a 3-layer breathable design, easy access zip panels, and adjustable straps for a secure fit. It's the ultimate shield for your home on wheels. Protect your Caravan now and keep it ready for your next adventure. Check out the Quest Pro Max today at standardcaravan.com.